We're going to go ahead and install this tailgate assist shock, and it's going to attach from the side of the body here to our tailgate itself. So right on the side of your tailgate right here, there should be a hole. We have a nutsert right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to insert this into that hole. Going to tap it into place. Once that's in there, I'm going to go ahead and use a 5mm Allen wrench here. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this to work. Using our 10mm wrench on the back nut here and our 5mm Allen. Let's go ahead and tighten down this here and see if we can get that nutsert. So at this point right now, this is pretty tight and our nutsert has expanded on the inside of our tailgate. So let's go ahead and loosen this. I'm going to take our pivot bracket right here. This fits right into the notch right there. And this should line up with that nutsert that we just installed. Now I put some blue Loctite on these threads. It's not something you want to have loosen up. Get that screw started. And use our Allen wrench. Zip that on in. Just got to make sure that that's pretty snug in there. Let's go ahead and disconnect our tailgate cable and lift up on our spring tab here, up and off. Going to use our T45 Torx bit and remove the pivot here. Take your supplied pivot plate here, put that through, reinstall the bolt. You want to go ahead and take the larger piston side, line this up, snap that on. Now what we want to do is extend this out a little bit, lift up our tailgate. Line that up, snap it into place. Using your T45, go ahead and disconnect the bolt here that's holding the other end of our tailgate cable. Now you have your cable and your bolt off. Set that aside. Just go ahead and lift up your tailgate. Just go ahead and release.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.